Hello everyone, I'm Rhonda Clark and I'm the Certified Nutrition Health Coach at Clark Chiropractic. And my tip for Friday this week is bulletproof coffee. If you've never tried it, I recommend that you do. It's a wonderful way to start your day off, full of fat, great for the brain for you to head off to work or just at home working hard with the kids. And what you do is you start with just a cup of coffee that you brew. You take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, or you could use MCT oil. You will put them into your blender. I have already blended this one. I wanted you to see it looks creamy and frothy when it comes out. Wonderful, very good for the brain, great way to start the day off. But you could also use it for the afternoon, like my son Samuel does. He works hard here on the ranch. He'll come in and get him a cup. Great brain booster for him to go out and work hard. Couple tips: if you don't drink coffee, you could use herbal tea or green tea, or even a hot chocolate made with like a raw cocoa powder and a little bit of almond unsweetened milk, and then you add the oil to it. Drink it the same. If you have to have a sweetener, you could put a little stevia or a hint of honey, but I recommend trying it without the sweetener first. You might be real surprised. And from all of us here at Clark Chiropractic, always remember, real food matters.